Right, hello. So I am Farhan Khan from the Design for Additive Manufacture team at the Manufacturing Technology Center in the UK. Thank you for participating in this interview for AMable. Today we're discussing the TADSOLE project. So without further ado, could you start by telling us who are you and what do you do?
Right. I am Gerwin Wondria. I'm the founder of GMKS, and I am here with Maarten Verkoren, who is the co-founder of the TADSOLE project.
Could you please describe your product idea in this project?
Yes. The TADSOLE is exactly the midsole of a shoe, and the whole aim of the project is to let the sole do exactly what the user wants it to do. So in our current shoes, we have only soles that are not intelligent. So if a person plays, for instance, basketball, the sole is able to tell if the person is jumping, and then if the person is landed on the ground again, it can it can protect the user from a sprain injury or something. And basketball is one option, but we're also investigating options for like health reasons. So the TADSOLE is a unique design to help the user reach its goals.
Great. So since you've been exploring additive manufacturing in this experiment, so what's your expectation from additive manufacturing?
Okay. We think additive manufacturing is very useful in our current prototyping process, and AM can speed up the prototyping process.
Yes, indeed, those are some of the benefits of additive manufacturing. Now, what challenges did you expect in the beginning of the project, and what challenges did you actually have?
Well, as you can see, Farhan, we are currently in a tennis arena. And one of the challenges we expected for the project to start is that we couldn't find the right material, the right structure of the sole, and the right way to implement the sole within a sporting shoe or whatever shoe, so that the user could use it.
Right. So, which AMable services did you choose, and why? So, what kind of expertise were you missing before starting your experiment?
We need to process many data about the structure, about the material, about the bending steel, different structures, different materials, and we were afraid that we didn't have the right. Uh, we didn't know how to fully do that. So we asked AMable to work on that with us. But together with you, we came up that we decided, or we found out that our basic question right now is not a data implementation tool, but it is really a decision making tool.
So, how has AMable helped you until now?
I think the success of AMable is really three ways. You gave us a tutor. Yeah, in fact, that was you. You gave us a subsidy, and you gave us a service. And now I think that if it wasn't for you with all your questions, trying to dig deeper, we wouldn't have reached TRL3 as we've reached now. So it was a hard and painful process, but it was very necessary.
Thanks. That's good to know. So, when will your product be available on the market?
Well, like I said, we've reached TRL3 in, let's say November last year. Right now, with our with Materialize, who is our key supplier, we are trying to move it one step beyond. So we're going to TRL4, create a low fidelity prototype, and from there on, we hope that in summer we can actually test a high fidelity prototype, which means that hopefully by the end of the year we can have a market ready prototype.
Okay, great. Do you have any plans for another AM product as well?
Well, that would be products also for in shoes.
We found already a person, a professional football player, who's willing to test our products.
In the Premier League.
And he footballs in the Premier League.
That's good feedback. Well, thanks again in taking part in this interview, and best of luck with your product and business as well.
Thank you. We hope that we can work with AMable in the future as well.